Hello, my name is Pelaine Sano Jr., and I'm showcasing the Requiem character sheet generator for the Requiem tabletop game. The Requiem tabletop game is a project that I've been working on for the last 8 years. And what this website helps to fix is the capability of creating multiple character sheets that's saved on an online resource using the Django backend to allow people to save their character sheets to the cloud to access later from anywhere at any point. Currently, if you click on the add button, you can create a character sheet and name them. Let's name this one Sam, and then pick a class from the list that currently is not showing because of Screencastify. But once you pick a class and click submit, you can see that Sam is now populated onto our list of character sheets. Clicking onto Sam, you can see his starting HP, the class he is, and a little information about Hunter, as well as his attributes and starting gold. And then you can click the home button and go back to another character like Ash and see that they're a Chandler with 10 HP, starting attributes, a little bit about Chandler, as well as their starting gold. And why I did this is to help with bridging the gap between having a online resource for the tabletop game and being able to have an accessible character sheet from anywhere on the go.